Well,
Holy fuck, this guy
we
walks
got out
like
of our
fucking
restraints and we
squirrel.
opened the door, and Chainsaw Man was right there.
It's pretty good.
Wait, Chainsaw Man himself from the series Chainsaw Man.
You didn't lead him here, did you?
No, we lost him.
Okay, good.
He's right at the door, man. He's getting smarter.
He's getting smarter. I think there's a door to get out. Oh boy.
I got a door over here, but you're nowhere near me now.
It's one by me, but it's being guarded.
I just opened the door. It's not the greatest of doors.
Disappointed with the door?
Yep.
Fuck. Oh, I guess you need a bone to stab Grandpa.
I should see what that is.
Follow me.
Oh yeah, Dustin, I was down there, by the way, and I, like, hid up against a wall, and you walked past me.
I'm having a hard time seeing stuff.
Oh, it doesn't
Yeah.
open right away, does it?
Like, even just doors and shit, it's hard to see in this game.
Hey, Evan, what's up, man?
What's going on?
Turn
You can hear
around.
me, Jordan? What's going on here? Somebody else is picking a lock there. Who's that?
Must be Kim, because I got eyes on Jordan.
Oh, now the gate opens. And now I'm fucked.
I'm out! I'm the best!
Which gate did you use?
The one you opened, I saw you running from it, so I just went over there.
Oh, I might get out too. I got out too.
Oh man,
God.
Kim's still underground.
Fuck, my character's slow.
Fuck.
I
God
don't know
damn,
if
somebody's
Jordan-
chasing me the whole time.
Jordan must not know about the gate because he's still going the other way.
Jordan
gotta-
keeps looking at this gate that I told him about. He has no idea what to do with it. I'm trying to tell him. He's just slowly walking up to it.
Evan, you're such an ass. 100% giving away his location.
I'm not sure where the...
I'm thinking they must have disabled it or something.
No, they gotta just go activate it again, but they're not. I told Jordan and I tried telling Kim, but she's not
I told him
listening.
too, but he looked it over and left. I don't see the handle anymore. I directed Jordan to the wrong one. I didn't even know there was two. He's over there staring at, walking around it, looking for the handle.
Did,
Is it the one-
did you
is
let
it
him
the one
know
that's
that you
right by
actually
the
got
gate?
the wrong one?
Yeah, right by the gate.
Yeah.
I swear to God, it was that one I told Jordan to go to that I ran out. I swear.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute here.
Okay. That's
I just
right,
found some
and-
wrecking. Seriously, I didn't see you
There
guys. So
we
I was
go.
directly on top of you, and I saw some blue. I was
The
like, wait
Jordan
a
shirt.
minute.
Oh no.
Yeah, Dustin ran right up to them a couple
no.
times and left. I guess the bushes are a really good cover. It doesn't seem like it when you're in them.
Yeah, I can't believe that they are. It's crazy.
Uh,
Yeah, it seems... It doesn't seem right. Johnny found your footprints.
That's creepy.
And this guy's that's this guy's ability. He's just swiping in the grass.
Oh, that was really good. That was really good.
I can't. Oh god. All right.
I like that we saw them both trotting along together.
All right.
Like a little parade swatting the grass. They almost smoked their head.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys almost got Kim. You couldn't see her, but you're like an inch away from killing her.
Well, I'm gonna chase now. Oh, fuck,
Uh-oh.
that's
Johnny.
okay.
Oh, you make some
fucking-
bad choices.
Oh,
It's Johnny.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Paradox
Bitch, run!
just said that she escaped the homestead. Okay.
Yeah,
So she
I guess
didn't
there's,
escape the.
Yeah.
there's different levels of escaping,
Yeah.
I guess.
Uh,
That's not the gate. Tell me that's not
That is.
that's not the.
No, it's
Right.
definitely not the game.
the gate. Uh-oh, Johnny's
that-
Johnny's
oh my
still on
God.
you. Johnny seems fast.
Legit.
He is fucking
Dad.
fast when I figured out I could run. He's so slow otherwise.
I'm trying.
Wait, how did you get out here? Go follow it, Kim. Just follow it. I don't know if they're following you anymore, but you're out if you can make it before passing out.
Fuck me.
Not a trap?
How dare you escape when I can
Damn.
still see you? Get back here!
How'd you get out?
How did you even get out there, though? It seemed like she just walked out. There wasn't any
Wait,
obstacles.
She got out?
Yeah, she found the road and just
I
ran
got
down the
out there ready
road.
for the road.
I think I know what happened.
What?
It put me out there, and I had to unlock the door to get into the area.
Oh,
I think that's
you
what
let her
happened.
out. Oh, now I see
Oh,
why I
it was
was
either that or me.
confused.
Well, no, I ran right. I went right. Oh no. How did I get there?
I don't know. I saw you running, I switched
Okay.
to Jordan, and then by the time I switched back, you were out on the road, and it was like 2 seconds.
Oh, what if I just have my mommy do something with them tomorrow, like get pizza with them tomorrow, like just the cheap pizza?
Evan, are you watching this?
Yes. I don't know what's going
That's
on.
fine.
Yeah,
It takes a
what's
few
happening?
minutes for the gate to open. It takes a few minutes for the gate to open, but I don't know.
So we can go
Did
to
Alistair
lunch
shut it
then.
off? Alistair shut it off, the dick.
And, oh, man.
Why are you fucking around in this bush over here? Oh, hello!
Didn't see him. You walked right up to him twice.
I was following his footsteps.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Poor Jordan.
Yeah, this is gonna be hard to pull off now that they know exactly what he's doing.
What did Kim do?
I have
She
no
just
idea
did
what Kim did. It sounds like
It's-
Alistair accidentally let her out.
Oh, Jordan. Don't even need to follow your your footsteps anymore. This character, I have him figured out. He's fucking ridiculous.
He's the one nobody picked yet. Other than you.
He does look like a fucking corporate. I'm feeling a little better.
Now that you won.
Now he wants to play again. Who am I teaming with?
Jordan.
Turd?
Mm-hmm. No communication, but he is pretty deadly. Is this multiple story house? Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Fuck
Oh
off.
Oh,
yeah!
this way, this way.
I'm weak, dude.
Dude, why
Don't
didn't
do
I?
that.
I was right on you, slashing you, and I got one hit.
That's
Slow down, Evan.
Dude, that's not fun.
Yeah, it is. It's plenty fun.
It's not.
Oh
It's
yeah!
not fun.
Putting in your reign of terror of escaping.
Oh my god.
That was fun.
Dude,
That's what you get, I guess.
That was
I
fun.
can't
man.
listen.
So, I saw you
Travis
picking the lock to the door down
Pretty
there.
yellow.
It was making noise, so I knew you were in the house.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, Dustin's been executed.
Kim's the lone survivor
Yeah,
here.
that's just Kim. Her heart's already deteriorated? How? We weren't even in here this long.
She's still in the
I think I
basement,
ran so
guys.
much.
Is she in the basement still?
Yeah, I am definitely still in the basement.
What did you do to her hurt though? Why is it so bad?
Okay, here's how I came in, I think.
Who is that? Is that Jordan? Wait, is that Jordan?
What, Jordan?
No.
Yeah, Jordan's the cook.
Yeah, Jordan's the killer that it looks like he's shot
Jordan's-
himself, right?
Clayton.
Jordan's not the cook. I am.
I seen
No,
Clayton.
not the
Oh,
the
yeah.
cook. The
Jordan's the chainsaw guy.
Yeah, that is right. I forgot, but okay, then when I just seen Jordan.
So Kim wasn't in the basement at all then.
no, I was. Jordan just went up. I saw him go up.
Liar.
No, seriously, I did. He used a ladder to go up.
I don't think the chainsaw guy uses ladders.
Not the chainsaw guy. I don't think he's a chainsaw.
He is. I'm the other guy.
Doggone head. This is all his doing.
The guy that just walked past the chicken.
Yeah. Where are you?
He mad at it. He's putting his ear up.
Trying
Put
to
his ear
listen.
up.
Trying to listen. I don't know how Jordan never gets this to work. I scan around, I don't find anything. You fuckers
I
can,
think everybody's.
you can definitely see me.
You, I'm out.
Come here, boy. Look what you're doing to the house.
I saw that, Kim.
Did you? I didn't see shit.
I saw you take a run. I don't know if you went in the house or in these bushes. I know I saw you, though.
Grandpa. Can I? Nope, can't get out. Fuck you, chicken. Oh god.
Hello!
You weird old man.
No.
Fuck you. I'm
Oh.
out.
Hell, you shut doors behind you.
I don't know how I did that. Don't ask. Oh my god, no.
If you don't stop with the runaround, I'm gonna feed your giblets to
How did I end up back up over here?
I took a moment to tell Jordan you were upstairs. You better not have got out of here by that time.
Yeah, and he came
Well,
fucking chasing me.
She passed
I
it.
think. Do you think your health potion might help?
Nope. Okay. Bye. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. Oh shit.
If you're trying to use that, you gotta go upstairs in the house.
You're joking, right?
Nope. But you gotta need some health.
I'm gonna.
Oh, oh my god, she passed out. She passed out.
How come I can't kill you right
Oh.
now? Oh, you're dead?
Oh, I'm dead. You scared the shit out of me.
What were you doing? How did you know she's there?
I saw
Oh,
a little
you just came out swinging.
saw a little red noise, so I came down there to investigate, and I saw her running down the hall, so I hid around the corner.
I'm so scared. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I haven't got any XP from doing this at all.
No!
I guess because it's a private server.
What happened to Clayton?
What happened?
I heard the chainsaw come behind me while I was trying to pick something up, so I stopped and I crawled through a hole, and he was on the other side of the hole. I just crawled right back out, though. He's coming, Dustin, I think. He's right next to you. That one's a percentage.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, bastard. Oh, Dustin, I think you got away.
Did you?
No, he came back for me. I've used 2 fucking healing potions, and I still only have half health right now. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. The second I touch a lockpick box, he shows up! Oh shit, that's a dead end. Fuck.
Can I get one of the ones with artichoke hearts on it?
Oh shit. Okay. Oh, close that
Damn,
shit.
everybody's out of the fucking basement except me.
You're a basement cat.
I don't wanna be.
Hey,
What?
I get one with the artichoke hearts on it.
Good. No.
Come on, Jules, settle down.
Come on, how did you guys get out?
Uh.
Why are you doing this to me? Please stop. Oh, finally. They left.
Stop, Grandpa.
I need to find the others.
So my controller vibrates, and I don't know if it's because you guys are near or you're coming close.
I think it's when Grandpa's flipping out. I think.
There.
Your screen definitely turns like colors when the family's near.
So one of my abilities
Yeah.
is to not make noise when I hit the bones and shit like that.
It's a
But I just
percentage.
get-
I read
you
it.
know,
I remember reading
It's a
Is
it.
it-
percentage,
is it-
Evan.
I swear it wasn't a percentage. It just said
No.
3 times I could do it.
It-
And it says
The one I read said it was a 25% chance that you won't make noise.
I might recover, but I'm dead.
Oh, guys, find the fuse box. I found the fuse box. You guys want to come get it?
Great.
Did you throw something at me, Alistair? Because I was running away from you and it hit me in the back.
No! I just got out here! Oh, fuck.
There's your feet prints. Oh, you better be running quick, Clayton.
Johnny found my footprints.
You
Fuck
better
Johnny.
be quick.
I'm going down into the basement.
Oh,
That's
in
my
the
turf.
basement you went, eh?
My turf, you son of a bitch. I don't even care that I'm making noise. I'll stab you with this
I'm gonna be
bone.
honest, I need to feed Grandpa. He's
Yeah,
hungry.
my exit. Lucky me. Top of the stairs, Grandpa. He's just there. Alright, here I am
Anybody-
using my 5th or 6th health of the game.
Anybody see the pressure tank anywhere? Because I've been looking for
It's
that
in the
for a little
basement.
while.
It's in the basement.
Yeah.
Okay, where at?
I don't know where I was running, but I saw it.
Just have bad luck.
No, I don't know. It says it can do it 3 times.
No, come on, man.
He's gotta help me.
I was on top of you. Oh.
Oh, I think I might have found something. I did.
Great, so you'll get all the basement work
No.
done now that I've been chased out of it.
Actually, I didn't find it, but now I see it though. My ability can show me it.
Fuck you, Grandpa.
It was bad that time.
No. Chipotle poppers.
That
What
was
the
not
fuck
good
are
timing
those?
on your part there, girl.
I have no stamina left.
Stuff's all windows.
Does anybody have a tool?
What kind?
Your tool.
No.
Oh.
No! Come on! He's too fast! Evan,
Anybody know
save
where the
me!
water-
My character's fucking.
Does anybody know where the water gate is?
Maybe some Brussels sprouts.
Evan, slow down!
No. I'm back.
Slow down, Evan.
Nope.
Oh my god.
wonder if the pressure gate's down the basement too.
Why am I alive?
Bye bye, bitch. He's chasing me out. The chase
Oh,
guy.
Where's the gate at?
Man, oh, it's upstairs.
Might be a
It's up in the open.
Hello, Grandpa.
Oh,
Fuck you, Grandpa.
Jordan is right behind me with the chainsaw.
Fuck you. No, hey,
Kim's gonna make it.
Fuck you.
Kim's gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it. I slipped right by.
Something. The gate's open for so long, but
Where is the gate though?
it's right to your right, right to your right, straight ahead and to your right, straight ahead to your right. I think. I'm not 100% sure. That'd be
Yes.
to your left. I thought you were closer to it than that.
A cheese and
Yeah,
a
it's
Supreme.
closing. It's closing. You see it close? It's like over that direction.
Mushrooms.
No, I don't see it.
No mushrooms.
It's to your left right now. Like,
Mm,
My God, I need this.
you see where that chicken is?
Yeah,
That's where the gate. That's where the gate's at.
and now we need to find the fucking valve again.
Oh,
Straight in this room, I think. Actually, to your left.
mm.
Hold on.
Maybe it's not in this room. It's just similar to this room.
Whew. I
It
forgot
does say
where the
pump storage though.
freaking gate is already.
Yeah, it's right there. There's one right there.
Evan, could you shut up?
They don't. They don't. Look.
Dustin, if you're up
Actually-
there, make a run for it.
oh, bad luck on your part.
You're dead.
Left.
Yeah.
Left, Clayton.
This way.
But wait it. Well, they're gonna know where it's at though. They're coming. But wait it out. You see it though, right? So
I think I know where it is.
it takes a second to open though. You'll hear it open.
They're probably on their way to go turn it off, though.
They might. Don't know if they are though. Still blowing. Go, go, go. That's a noise.
It's not open.
No, that means it's opening though. Oh,
He's running! I can hear him! I can hear him! Get away! No! There he is! He's just. Oh my god! I should not have survived that game.
Closed.
I was on the brink of death so many fucking times. It's unreal.
I was on your asshole so hard.
Oh my
I saw your
god.
ass, I saw her.
Oh,
that's intense.
poor Dustin died though, yeah. Jordan saying, "Where's the damn valve for that one?"
Oh, Dustin, you're not supposed to move.
Oh shit.
Run, bitch, run! Arthur, don't say that.
I seriously lose this guy. For real?
Oh. This seems like a property that would have, like,
Even know all this was out here.
oh no.
Oh shit.
Damn chicken.
Oh,
See more clearly.
Bastard. It's too fast for my poison.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't know where
It's
to
kind of
go
weird how
now.
she's
No, that's not what I wanted to do.
poison though.
I see where Dustin's at.
So that.
I see where he is too.
Yep, take the stairs. Oh, those are not stairs. I lied.
Shit me.
Well, I lost him. God damn it.
Oh. Oh.
What is?
You went the other way. You're going the wrong way, Clayton.
Oh,
Oh, okay, yeah.
no.
Okay, you weren't supposed to go that way. You're supposed to go the other way.
Stop, Dustin, stop! No! I ran out of swings? Are you kidding me? It takes more than 5 swings to kill you? That's bullshit. Yes!
Oh my god. Oh, look at my Arthur.
Dustin still
Oh wow.
half alive?
No, he's bleeding out
No.
right now. I slit his throat. That was actually really gross. I never saw that one.
It was.
Evan, why are you still here?
What do you mean?
Didn't you open the door twice and know where it is?
I don't know where it's at, and I couldn't get to it because of fucking lock-picking bullshit.
Oh.
I opened the door
I
for
go down
Kim because it was nice.
Jordan said his game crashed.
Yeah, that was very nice.
Good. This is my chance.
Yeah, I see him walking into a wall back here.
Awesome.
That's not awesome, that's awful. Well, it's all up to me. Fuck, basement exit open. Fuck off, I still don't even know how to get down there. I don't know how to get there.
I see Evan just walking into
Walking in place.
Oh,
Yeah.
I hope he disconnects so I can win.
Yeah, my game just crashed too then. It's not letting me enter.
Alright. Oh, I can't feed Grandpa though.
She
I think
have a
it's-
curse.
I think it's gonna throw the game out.
That's weird.
What's me?
I can walk around, but I
game
can't
crashed.
go through the enter things.
Yeah, same. I can't feed Grandpa. Can't activate any abilities either. Oh,
Oh,
I'm out.
there we go. So I would have won that.
No, you wouldn't, cause I was
Well,
gonna
that's fair.
I was gonna feed Grandpa and I was gonna find him.